In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money on Bybit account. To get started with the video, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Bybit on your device. Make sure that you have the app installed on your device. You can also do this with the web version of Bybit. Just make sure that you're signed into your account. Now in here, go ahead and click on the assets button, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen, and this will take you into this section. Now go ahead and click on the deposit button. There are a few methods to deposit money on Bybit. First and foremost would be through depositing crypto from other cryptocurrency applications. So click on deposit crypto, and here you'll need to select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit on your account. Now after this, you'll need to proceed with the next steps, where you'll need to create some connection between your Bybit wallet and the application where the crypto is from. Another method to deposit on Bybit is through buying with EUR. Click on buy with EUR. So once you buy with EUR, what this means is that you buy cryptocurrencies on Bybit and paying through bank transfer or top up. So this will allow you to deposit cryptocurrency directly to your account and paying it through bank transfer. And the last method in this section is the P2P trading. So P2P trading will allow you to buy cryptocurrencies from other users on the platform in exchange for actual money, which you'll send to their available payment methods for their cryptocurrency. So this would vary depending on the vendor of the cryptocurrency. And those are the few methods of depositing money on your Bybit wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.